I just found this free WordPress plugin that makes your entire website feel like a premium app. It's called View Transitions, and once you install it, your pages don't just load, they flow. See that? Instead of that ugly white loading screen that you see when you click a link, the next page just fades, slides, or swipes in smoothly. In this video, I'll show you how to get all the effects for free in just a minute or two. So let's get started. First, you need to install the plugin. So go to your WordPress dashboard and click on the plugin button. Now search for the View Transitions plugin and click Install Now. Once it's installed, click Activate, and that's literally it. There's no code, no setup. The plugin automatically knows what's on your screen before and after a click. Once activated, you'll find a settings panel like this. You can choose your default transition animation from fade, slide, swipe or wipe, and you can also adjust the animation duration. I've just set mine to 400 milliseconds. The plugin also lets you customize selectors for your header, main content, title, image, and post body. So the animation knows exactly what to transition. And if you scroll down, you'll also see an option for animating the admin view. Yep, it even works in your WordPress admin panel. That means switching between pages, post, or settings feel smoother than ever. You can experiment with all of these animations. Fade is the default one and honestly still the most premium one for any professional website. But if you're making something creative like a portfolio, photography site, or an agency showcase, then you can try slide or swipe from right or bottom. That gives your site more motion and personality. Honestly, once you use it, you'll hate going back to the hard reload screen. So yeah, this might be the most underrated free plugin. So install it. It's called View Transitions. Go play around with the settings and let me know which animation you like the best. By the way, this video was brought to you by our very own plugin Airlift. It helps you speed up your website for free, and I'll leave a link right in the description below if you want to check it out. And if this helped you, hit that like button. And if you're a WordPress user like me, subscribe for more gems like this. See you in the next one.